I've done things that don't scale my entire life. I think scalability is overrated, and I think a company is nothing more than a group of people. And if you are running a company, whether it be a dental practice, a doctor's office, or a more traditional small business that provides services to people, you are nothing more than a group of people. So if you don't know how to manage people, deal with their emotions, make good decisions, and understand that this whole thing is nuanced and people are unpredictable and it's difficult. And I mean, look, it's tough to be, I write on the internet about business advice, right? And it's tough to do that because there's so many different ways to do this. I look at business, you're going down a road and there's a Y in the road that's the decision. You got 500 of those a week at times when things are really moving and shaking. And there's no one way. Like it's not just like, hey, go, this way's the right way, this way's the wrong way. Both ways can take you to the same place. So I kind of got my start in the moving and storage business. In 2015, we had some cash set aside. I was 25 years old. I went and got a bank loan for $1.7 million, built a self-storage facility for $2.9 million from the ground up, raised some limited partner LP capital, and got that thing open for business in 2017. We quickly realized that we no longer wanted to be in the moving and storage business. We just wanted to be in the real estate, the storage business. So from that time to today, we've grown a real estate portfolio of 63 properties, 1.9 million square feet. We've bought about $100 million worth of self-storage. I run that with my team of 45 employees. They're all over the world. I have a lot of employees in the Philippines and in Latin America as well. And just so happened to also scratch my entrepreneurial itch with a lot of other small businesses, service businesses that can be ran virtually or in person. And here we are today. In 2023, I have a lot of followers on Twitter that kind of follow me for management and delegation and real estate advice. But I'm just an entrepreneur figuring it out like everybody else.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.